Well, it's been 3 hours since the last kitten, and kitten number 4 has just been born. There he is. Little soaking wet dude. It looks like we've had a massacre in here. So we thought there was just going to be 3. First one 20 past 6, then 10 past 7 and 20 past 7. And then all of a sudden quarter past 10 at night. And there we go. I think it's going to be a girl as well, because it's also a squealer. And she's cleaning up, so I don't know if that's actually going to be it now. 4 kittens, or if there's even more. You good girl, Mia? Psst, psst, psst. Psst, psst, psst. You good girl. There. She's a good girl. And the other kittens are adorable, aren't they? That's the newest one, kitten number 4, which is kind of, I think, going to be black and ginger. So we've definitely got a ginger daddy somewhere, because they all have. There's one black and white one just hiding here. What we're going to do is we'll get the bed cleaned once she's finished for good, and then they'll be nice and fluffy and cuter looking, instead of looking like they're in the middle of an abattoir. She's having a good old clean up. We're going to do daily updates as well of the kittens for the next 8 weeks. So make sure you share and like, and don't forget to subscribe. I will put another one up if there's any more kittens born. There's 3 of them getting fed at the moment. They are very cute. Anyway, check back for kitten number 5, if there's going to be a number 5. So far we're up to 4. Who knows? There we go. She's a lovely mummy. There's the black and white one. Perfect picture. They're now about 3 hours old, them ones. Except the little wet one. It looks massive already compared to the new one. Still getting cleaned up, but they've all found the food so far. So check back soon.